I gave away that I'm wearing pajamas, so I don't mind that. And also, I just showered and I didn't bother doing anything with my hair. So this is very casual. I just like to clear that up before I start the video. Anyway, for this video, I'm doing a Forever 21 unboxing and try on haul. I forget what I ordered, but here it is. Wait, did I just show my address? Here it is. I forget what I ordered. I ordered like a lot of things, like one thing, but in different colors or whatever, because, okay. Oh, I'll start with this. First of all, let me just say, I'm not gonna try this thing on because it's a bralette, so, no. It's just a V-neck bralette. I have one I won't like it, but I thought I'd get another one like in a different style because mine's a halter top. So okay, what's this thing? Oh, I got a couple dresses because there's always an event or something coming up where I need a dress and I don't have one, so I figured I'd get a couple plain black dresses to have it. Oh, this one's actually blue. I hope this looks good because it's actually kind of cute. The only thing is, I don't know if it's exactly my style, but you know, if I just wear some white Converse, we're good. Oh, so I told you I got a lot of dresses. This next dress is not my style at all, but I mean, it was like everything was $8 basically for the deal, and then you have to get over like something dollars for free shipping, so I just threw this in anyway. But it's not my style at all. So it's another dress. It's floral and it's not my style. Wow, cute. I mean, this is cute. I would just never wear it, you know. I'll still try it on. It's a floral skirt and it's button up, and it's not really my style, but I kind of like it because like with a plain top it would look cute. This next thing, wait, let me do the dresses first. Let me finish all the dresses. Okay. This next dress, I don't know when I think about it. It's a skater skirt sort of, but there are like buttons here. I feel like the neck might be a little low for me, but we'll see. We'll try it on. Okay, there's one more dress because like there's like a lot of dresses, but like I said, I got a few so I could try them on and see how they fit. So this one I think I'm the most excited, like I have the most confidence in. It's a halter top shirt and it's just kind of flow down. This one I feel like I have the most confidence in that it'll fit and work. So wait, I forgot there's one more piece. I almost ended this. Okay, it's just a plain tee that says sweet and then there's peach. Get it? Sweet peach. Okay, I figured it'd be good like casual just to wear whenever like. Okay, I'm trying on the bralette, not the shirt, and I just did this so I could like show you like this. I like it, it's cute. Also, I didn't do anything with my hair yet. It's still just air drying. Yeah. I think it's cute. I'm probably gonna keep this. Okay, here's the skirt and here's the top. I decided to put together like I said, and I think it's super cute. This is so cute. Okay, so I think it's cute. What do you think? I mean, the skirt is really wrinkly right now, but I think it's cute. So, I mean, this is a whole outfit right here. Okay, here's the next dress. It's the one that has the buttons down, and I said it would kind of have a low neck. I really like this. It's really cute. The neck is definitely kind of low for me, though. It's not like, I don't know, it's kind of low. So, yeah, now I'm looking at it, it's really low. So, it's really cute, and it fits really well. I could definitely wear this somewhere, and no one would be like, what the heck are you doing? Okay, so I thought I'd try on the dress that I don't really like, and this is it's very iffy. It's kind of like an old grandma dress. I thought maybe trying to put a belt on it might make it better, so let's see. Okay, this makes it so much better. I mean, I'm probably not gonna keep it because I wouldn't wear it. Like, I wouldn't wear this to school. The belt definitely makes it better though. I just cinched it around the waist and pulled it up a little because it was also kind of long. It was an awkward length. It didn't hit the knees, but it wasn't like mini skirt or length or whatever. I don't know. It was kind of awkward length. But really, yeah, I'm not gonna keep this, but it's cute. Okay, this is much better. As you can see, I put my pajama shorts back on. Don't mind that. But is that better? Okay, here's the graphic tee, and it's really cute. I don't know how much I like it. Like, I don't know if I would keep it. Also, it's kind of see-through, so I don't know about that. But, and the shower hair is still going strong. It's not that frizzy yet. But anyway, back to the shirt. Not sure how I'm feeling. This is the dress it's the plain black halter top dress, and I like it. It's cute. My hair is all messed up. I might keep it. I don't know. I'll try on the last dress and see if I like that one and, you know, compare. Okay, my battery's flashing again, so this might cut short, but this is the last item. So this is the last dress. It's a flowy one, and again, it's kind of an awkward length. I'm not so sure about it, so I'm gonna try putting a belt on again. My battery's still flashing. It's kind of stressing me out. Okay, when I put a belt on it and like kind of cinched up a little bit, it's really cute. Yeah, this is really cute. I just don't know when I'd wear it. Like, I guess it would be nice to have just for an occasion if I need it. But I'm going to end the video here. Let me bring you forward so there's better lighting. Wow, great lighting. I should have filmed the whole video like this. Out of everything I showed you, I'm going to keep the bralette, which I'm actually wearing right now with this. And I'm going to keep the skirt and the black top. So, yeah. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up and let me know if you want to see more videos like this. And, oh, I have really cool videos coming out. So you should subscribe and turn on your post notifications to see those. You can see me in the mirror. You can see I'm hunched over in like this. Oh, my belt just came off. Okay. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'm worried my battery's gonna die, so I'm talking fast. But thank you so much for watching, and subscribe.